Thank you so much. It's alright. It's alright. Okay now. Okay. Hi, Bosh. What's up? Hi, thank you so much. I watch your channel every day. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. How are you? I'm fine. You're beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you. Miss Sleepy Night. Hi, Miss Sleepy Night. Miss Sleepy Night. Subscribe, everyone. Like, thank you. Thank you. Subscribe, everyone. It's alright. Like dances. Thank you. Thank you so much. Miss Sleep Night. Need message. Just Pastor, and stop there. Stop there now. Thank you, God. Thank you, Lord. Stop raining now. I remember you. Um, Yuhan. Hi, Yuhan. That's good. My back hurts me. Why? Why you hurt your back? 1021 people. Thank you so much. The 21. The 20. Ay, the 21 people. My gulay. It's alright. Beautiful hands. Beautiful hands. Hands, thanks. Is this Thailand? No, Filipina. I'm Filipina Troll Army. Like and share, subscribe, everyone. Thank you so much. Style Supper. Can we see outfit? There's the beautiful Cheryl. Thank you. Hi, Fred. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Fred. Oh, I thought it's Thailand. No, not Thailand. Thank you, Sir Fred. Good evening. Hi, thanks. Good evening. Modi. Carlos. Hi, Carlos. Six. Korang six. Korang sexy. That's alright. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Ah, thank you 12 people. When Cheryl coming? Hey, tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going there. Wife leaving Tuesday. Oh my god. No, not tomorrow. She will have message. Oh my god, Sir Fred. Argyle Mete. Hi. May back with massage. Edwards. I don't care. Tar. Go to the doctor and ask for medicine. Go to parlor, Edward. Edward, go to the parlor. They will help you. Oh my god. Doctor said need massage. That's why go to the parlor. They have massage. I mean, what do you call this? Masahista. I'm serious. Yeah, we're serious. Go to the parlor. I think it's the spa. Go to the spa. Right. Right. Yes. I know I shall know about massage. I don't know about massage. So sorry. I don't know how to massage. Hi Prakash. Well, okay, thanks. No worries. Edward. Something. Miss and Turkey. Hi from Turkey. Thank you for the likes. Hi Kenneth. I restart the live because I don't understand why always no sound. I don't understand. 17 people. Thank you so much. Hello, mom. Why, mom? Why, mom? It's all good. Have a look at new phone yet. No, not look. Not yet look. New phone. Not yet look new phone. Super Playboy. Super Playboy. Sirkan. Hello. Hi, Jake. Well, your birthday is coming up, so you should look. Thank you. I want you supermodel. Oh, really? Really? Laughing my Sir Kenneth. Oh my god. 90, 60, 90 chocolate. Ima. Nicola Ocello. Nicola Ocello. Wow. Show if you miss natural. Natural. Thank you, 32 people here. Yes. Thank you. Very nice. Very nice. Love is all that matters. Faithful and forever. Drawing us together. Love is all we need. Fresh revolutions and things are suspended. Loneliness is suspended. Love. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Sir Marcus Ruth. Thank you for joining. Mamma mia. Fabio. Hi, Fabio. Thank you. Good. Nice stand. So what's hot? Okay. Oh, you're buying a new phone, Cheryl? Not yet. Not yet. Like the one. Not yet, Sir Fred. No, not yet. Just oh my god. How you lovely, Cheryl. I'm fine. I did check into phone here in the US and they said they will work in the Philippines, but I know last year when I asked about it, they said they would not work because they have a lack on them. Oh, okay. Hi, my friend. I love you. Good night. No, not yet. Oh my god. Sir Fred. iPhone is great, yeah. How I wish if iPhone. iPhone. Julius will get you. Oh my god. What did you do today? Oh my god. SS. Hi, 31. Phones from your states work here in USA. Oh, wow, that's great. Both mine from there. Do you have WhatsApp? Marcus? Stormy hosted. I meant phone from USA do work here. That's great po. I think iPhone is better. It's good. Or I don't know. My phone is cheap. Hi, Leo Dasi. I like the way you smile. Thank you, Sir Leo. And the way you look at me. What are you? What are me? My best friend is in Philippines visiting his girlfriend. Wow, that's great. Sir Marcus, good job. Good job. I have 14 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max. Oh my god, wow. What a pro. Expensive phone. Sir Fred, have you have a boyfriend? And he loving the Philippines, right, Marcos? 32 people, thank you so much. Yes, they are expensive. Yeah. iPhone is for rich people. Hello, how are you doing? Carl Gary, I am fine. I'm doing live. Doing live. Tell me who's the girl who's thinking. Tell me who's the girl. I figured Marcus, that's why I retired here. Thank you, Sir Fred. Nice. I'd like to visit one day. I need massage. You know how? Edward, I don't know how to massage. Masarin ko yung mukha mo. Nagigil ako sa iyo. I don't know how to massage. Dumb. Yeah, I have two homes and a condo, Marcus. Wow, that's awesome. That's awesome, Sir Fred. And same Filipina since 2009. That's great. Happy for you. I will treat her and for Cheryl. Huh? Fred? What? Kuya Dre. Hi, Kuya Dre. Oh, wait. No, I won't. Kuya Dre, you're right. Sorry, I have the news. Can't hear the news. But Yeah, you're right. The volcano eruption here in Bicol. Sorry. I have no news. Late news. You're right, Squid Ray. The volcano eruption. Hey Dre, dogs are making my dog bark. Yeah. So, Mr. Girl, 30, 31 people. Thank you so much. Gonna day, get an up before work. Have a great night, Cheryl and chat. Thank you, Marcus Rock. Thank you so much. God bless. What's up, Mr. Fred? Call me Kuya Dre. What's up? Take care, Marcus. 42 people in the house. I did that. Ano ba yan? They're doing good and you, Dre. But everything is okay now, your mom. Yeah, everything okay. Don't worry. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you so much. Everything is fine. Sana, what? Sana, sana naman. Aray. 42 people. Thank you so much. I'm not afraid about to put about 700 ambulance into the other traffic hit. Hello, Fianlan. Hi, Fianlan. You're yawning. Guess almost bedtime. Yeah. Oh, Amor. Thank you po. Amor Berto. See me? Let's see me. I have a couple things to do. Call me later. Aray ko. Call me later. Yes, sir. Sammy. Sammy? What's Sammy? Sammy is big truck. I just subscribed. Thank you. 55 people in the house. I lock out Joy last night. Yours had same drivers. Bonjour de France. Hi, Conan Lona. I drove over 30 years. I don't want to explain Finland. Just watch her. Kape. Isa pa to eh. Kalabaw. You're fast hiding. Yeah. I don't like explaining to the toxic people. That's why. I don't want drama. I don't want, I don't like fighting, I guess something like that's why. Da, 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 da. No. Sana, sana naman. Ang pag-ibig natin ba'y talagang magwawakas? Aray, hindi ka ba naluna? Thank you so much. Oh my god. Kaya ngayon ang nalaman ay di ko. Bakit ba sa isip ko? Ikaw ang laging laman ng puso ko. Thank you so much, Sir Fred. Kahit pilitin kong damdamin magbago, ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap ko. Hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin ang iniisip ko. Thank you so much. He was being sexual. Okay. Oh my god. Sana, sana naman. I have translator for many languages. That's great, Sir Fred. Wow. Thank you, someone who's sending the heart. Thank you so much. I found love for me. This time, this time, I found Sun Guzzles and bye bye, mom. Just stop by, say hi. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you so much for joining. Hope I'll see you again here next live. Good evening, watching from Sobek. Hi, Arnold from Sobek. I would give you my heart, but my wife gets it. Oh my god. Letter Fred. Take care, Dre. Thank you, guys. Oh my god, 56 people in the house, 32 likes. Thank you so much. You are so beautiful, my dear darling, and even more beautiful than the girl of my dreams. Ah, thank you. Thank you, Namer. Thank you. Gerald Oliveira. Okay. Hi, Jar. Thank you. Do you live in Tondo? No? I'm living in Bicol province, Philippines. I'm not living in Tondo. Nadera, you're smooth. The direct response. So big. Why big? What is the big? What is the big? Yeah. You have gorgeous legs. Oh, thank you. Better stacks. You. My eyes are closed. Okay, like poor girls from Tondo, they are humble and grateful. Ah, really? Miss Tessa. Michael has wooden legs. He jealous. Oh my god. I started watching you as soon as you had a channel. You're sweet women. Thank you, Michael. Michael. What? Comma Land. Hi, Stack. I love you the more than the girl of my dreams. Your face shines brighter than the moon. Where? Mister, so I'm sorry the rest is dollar money in hungry. Oh my god. You can share your money, the dollar. Maybe you have a lot. Share your plus. Peter is from Germany. Ah, from Germany. Nice to meet you, Sir Peter. Right or wrong? Huh? I'm sorry, the rest is money hungry. Ah, the rest is money hungry. Miss Tessa, where are you from? Are you a lack of understanding? You have your own vision in your life. That's why you look people based on the looks. Am I right? If you ask them their name, they say, "What's your job?" Oh, what's my job? You don't know me, Miss Diesel. What is my job? You don't know me. Don't talk to me like that. You don't know me, Miss Diesel. And who you, Miss Diesel? You have a profile picture. How I how I know who you are. You're a judgmental perfectionist. You are something like that. Money minded Pinay first. Oh, you don't know me, money minded. Yes, I'm working as a YouTube here. I earn money here, but I'm not scam your money. We're not scam your money. I'm not scam your money. I'm asking money from you. Excuse me, Miss Diesel. Wait, Ate, I've been there. Is time is always there. I don't care. I don't care what you're saying. I don't care what you're saying. I don't care what you ano, what I don't care what you're saying. You are judge me because you people you meet. You think I'm not I'm like them. He has no picture. Want him gone. Yeah. Who are you, Misty? So you just going here and telling me that I am you telling me that I'm like you people you met. The cheap people you met. The girl. Thank you, Sir Fred. Oh my god. Oh my god. He said he said I'm in for money. Excuse me. Oh my god, I'm hungry for money. Yes, I'm poor. I need. That's why I need to earn money. That's why I'm working hard. God, Misty, so you don't know me. Good. I'm tired all day. I work all day, and oh my god, self, calm down. You can have all my money, but my wife will. Oh my God. My job is, I know, my job is what my job? I'm a I'm a YouTuber, and yes, that is my job. I earn money here. If some people helping me, it's good. I'm not asking them to giving me a money. We are not to steal the money people here. We're not like that. I, I'm I'm so others. Oh, I'm not like that. You know me. How we steal money here? Duh. How we steal money on the people here? Probably Tadera hit the dollar sign. Yeah. I won't worry about him. Thank you, Charlie. We will hold a wedding that will be talked about in the Philippines, China, Indonesia, and the whole world just agree. Hmm? What? Oh my God. Kayabang ba? I won't. Ano kaya yun? Where are you from? What is? I'm from Philippines. Hotdog YouTube from Philippines. Mike Langom, would you date a handsome 66 person, 66 years old? Mike Langom, why are you saying that? Hey girl, guapa. Hi. You seem happy that's the rich you have. Yeah, hungry for money. If you are nothing, you need to pro. That's the people, I know. Like you are not good looking. Yes, you wanted to be a beautiful, something like that. That's why you need to earn how to be a beautiful. Like us, we have a lot. We have we have no money. That's why we need to hard work to having a money. What is what's wrong with that? God, judge, judgmental. My God. Mm. Oh, Philippines. Wow, it's a beautiful country. Thank you. So, hi, Tony. How are you? Sapatoy. Hi from Scotland. Hi, Peter. You will be the best, Francis and Nicholas. You don't have to work. You just give the order and everything will be provided. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I heard people saying that they had a good people. Oh my God, mistiso yan. Mistiso ka pa tanong. Gano'n ka ka-mistiso? Baka mistiso ka lang pero your name is mistiso but your attitude is dumb like a child. Yeah, Peter, you are so, thank you. I'm very beautiful pag walang iba. Pag walang iba. I know, I'm beautiful pag walang iba. 42, 45. You are the most. Oh, thank you, Mark. 30 people in the house. Thank you so much. He said he beautiful when there is no one else. Yeah. Yeah, that's why. Are you married? No, never been married. I'm from Carmel in China. I Google search. Will tell anyone who thinks they are higher than you are lying. I think you have a right. How old are you, my sweetheart? You're my crush. Hi, I'm 40 years old. Half century outdoors. Hi, Miguel Angel. Hi, Miguel. 47 people in the house. 25. 25. Come to Scotland and marry me. Oh my god, Peter. I will never. I will have many children with you. You deserve all this. Oh my god, you can pass at 25. Hi, Philip. Hi, Cheryl. You are looking so good. Thank you, Philip. Sir Philip. Andrew, 46. What a lovely yummy. Ah, eh. Ba yan? Hmm. Yummy, yummy, man. Show something, baby pa nga ba? Show something talaga. Show something. Ano to? Mark, I am 55. Too old for you. No, 55 is not too old. Oh my god. Feel young and stay healthy, guys. No, don't feel too old, everyone. You are very. Oh, I know. William, I know. I know. No need to say that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you, 38. Sorry. Enough, Natera. Thank you so much. Wait. 42 people. 42 people. My God. Ang trabaho daw. Ah! So maybe wala ba yan? May koto na. So, you are so pretty. Wrong spelling is wrong. Saying something over and over again and still hitting $sign Adera. Yeah, have a $sign there. Then prove it, Nadera. Prove it. Prove it that you have a lot of, you have everything in this world. Prove it. I would spoil you and show you the world. Okay, prove it. Start from the $sign. Other screen. 1,000,000 pesos. If you have everything, no hesitation. He owns a palace. I'm still scared of the cobra. Oh my god. Of course. It's have a venom. You Aresco. Aresco. Tell me where do I start? Cause it's breaking my heart. To wanna let it go. Maybe my love will come back sometime. Only have you ever seen a cobra? I seen a cobra. I see. Hmm. Jean-Claude Messi, you are pretty. Thank you. Okay, what I miss? What I miss? Hi, Sir Kenneth. Don't blame me. So don't try to decide why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love will get back some days. Oh, you can't know. My God. Maybe my love will come back some days. But oh, heaven knows. At lang. 42 people. Thank you so much. Kanak, hello, mom. Mom. Fritos with the sneakers, candy, and drinking water. Drinking a coke. What's up? Drinking a What's up? Hi, hello, Jonder Ferreira. Hi, Jonder Ferreira. Hello, Francis. Hi. Chris Pau forever. 35 people. Thank you for the likes. 30, 50 likes. Thank you so much, sir Fred. Thanks a lot. Oh my, I don't understand your language, gender. Oh my god. Okay, it's kind of boring. Do I need to do a table dance? She's a very nice lady. She will make someone very happy. Please respect her. Thank you, Charlie. Thank you so much, Charlie. Do you like horses? Oh my god. What the question is? You're welcome. Thank you. Always stand up, please, for me. Why? I found my new wife. Don't cheat your wife. Oh my god. Buddy. Um, hey William, do you stand up first and then she will stand up? Why she need to stand up? If you send the super chat $500, I will stand up. Come horses riding with me. Why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love broken down. 51 likes, thank you so much. Because she's beautiful, you think she needs to stand up. Yeah. Thank you, Sir Fred. Why does it hurt me so? Thank you, God. Hit the dollar sign, maybe she will, yeah. Hit the dollar sign, yes. hit the dollar sign, send $500. I will stand up. I'm back. Check your PayPal when you can. Aray ko. Ha? Aray. So maybe my love will someday. Only heaven knows. Maybe my love. I can't check my people because my phone I'm using. I'm doing live. I'm doing live, you know. Aray ko. My God. Oh. Sorry. Oh my God. My phone stand. Why does it hurt me so? Oh, thank you, Sir Fred. If you got a notification, you would send yeah. I will check after the live. Woman butterfly. Because I'm when I interrupt when I uh, women Newton camel. Woman butterfly. Woman butterfly. Why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love will come back sometimes. Only heaven knows. Maybe your heart so fine. Okay, no problem. Yes, I understand one problem. Yeah, thank you. Ouch. Cannot. Thank you, 53 likes. Thank you so much. 53 likes. Oh, heaven knows. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Someday. Oh, thank you so much. 55 likes. My God. Maybe 100 likes today, tonight. Hello, mi fiancé. Hi. Marco, hola, ¿cómo estás? Santa Rosa Lima, amigo. Colombia. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Jojo. Hi, Jojo. Jojo. Maingay sa labas. Sana girly. Hello, Sana girly. If you're tired, why don't you sleep? I try to sleep late mm, uh, a few minutes ago, but can't sleep. That's why I'm going live. Not yet sleep. We drink beer, so a little drunk. A little drunk. What time is there? What time in there? I don't know what time here. Just a little surprise, just a little. Oh my god. At 10:15. Okay. Hi, 29. 57 likes. Thank you so much. Bama in Philippines, I'm getting their bread. Bama in Philippines. Hi, Sir Bama. Bama. Nice, nice, nice channel. Where is Sir Bama? Hey, Bama. I will sing you a lullaby. Sing it. Bama in the Philippines. Hi, it's interesting channel. Bama. Where is Sir? Yeah, where are you from, Sir Bama? 10:10 p.m. Here in the Philippines also. Okay. I think he's from another country. Nueva Ecija. Ah, wow. Nueva Ecija. Hey Rick. Hi Rick from Bama. Yes, I'm Amer. That's why. That's why I'm confused. Bama in the Philippines. So meaning he's no, he's what do you call this? Stranger from Philippines. As like Dayuhan. Dayuhan means another country in the Philippines. Alabama, USA. Okay, that's why Bama in the Philippines. Alabama, Bama in the Philippines. Hey Bama, what's up from Rick? Bama stands for Alabama. That's why Bama in the Philippines. Welcome to the Philippines. Many Sir Bama, many Filipina women here in the Philippines. Hope you meet a beautiful Filipina vlogger live streaming. Maybe you meet Filipina live streamer. Not much, Rick. And the home stretch before sleep. Okay. Did you straighten your hair? It looks cool. Oh no, it's natural. Since birth, my hair is straight. It's natural. I'm married to a beautiful Filipino. Oh my God! Wow, bro. So happy! Oh my God! Many foreigner happy married in the Filipino. Oh my God! Thank you so much. Wow. Yes, I've been there, but need to keep rest. Wow. Good job. I'm happy that Filipina partner found the right Filipina, marrying a Filipino. Happy marriage. Oh my God. Like Fred, like Sir Fred. Huh? Someone calling. Oh my God. Why calling? No, I'm busy. Wait. Alvisenet. Hello. What? Hello, sweet and beautiful woman, Filipina, like much your body, your lips. Ugh. Hey, 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 what's up? Thank you, 59 likes. Thank you so much. 25 people. Whoever called once interrupted your script. I don't know. It's from what's up? Maybe someone. I don't know. I don't know. It's just a number. Random. Maybe randomly calling me from what's up. When I was in high school, we had exchange students for Barcelona. We had a blast. Wow, that's great, Sir Kenneth. Hello, Bella. Hi. All. Ang hirap naman. Well, difficult to pronounce. It wasn't me, I swear. Sir Kenneth. Hello. That's a sir. I don't know who's calling. Just a number. Me neither. Hey, you, Sir Fred? I don't. You? Oh, not from Philippines. That's not from Philippines. Not you, Sir Fred. I don't know who's calling. Ah, Sir Fred. You, I know the people. You send me the people. Sir Fred. Oh my God. Good evening. Good evening, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Chester, Hexon. Thank you so much. I have Philippines number. Yeah, it's not you, Sir Fred, calling. It's not from Philippines. Bama, you stinker. Thank you. Stinker. Oh, yeah. It's not you, Sir Fred, maybe. Bama. Bama in the Philippines. Alabama. Thank you, Sir Bama, for joining. Sir Kenneth. Sir Fred, are you sending me on people? I have not noticed. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you so much. I will call back later. It's you? It's you, Balma? Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. My god, Balma. Golden Bled. Hi, Golden Bled. You home? Yeah, I'm home. How was your day? Good day. I can't send the people. Trump outlook pen. What? What? Hello, beautiful to you, Mel. Hi, Pogi. Hello. Oh my God. Laging naliligaw. Thank you, Sir Fred. Oh my God. It's okay, Sir Kenneth. No worries. 27 people in the house. Thank you so much. 63 likes. Tomorrow we have again. David Moore. Hi, Sir David. Okay, Cheryl. Have a good night. Thank you, Sir Fred. God bless. Thank you for the gift. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Sir Fred. You're welcome. Thank you so much. God bless you po. Thank you so much. Hello, beautiful. Oh my God. Good night, Fred. Good night, Sir Fred. Spama and Philippines. Thank you so much. Good night. Thank you so much. 14 people in the house. Daniel Baraka. Sergio. I want you to stay. Never go away. Stay beside me. But now that you're gone. Los Antonio, Portuguese. Thank you, 66 people in the house. Thank you so much. This time, there we go away from you. No, I can't get it on your phone. If you want to use it, then my new phone, that's fine. Uh, if you want to use it, then my new phone, that's fine. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining. To buy your new phone. Ah. Thank you, Rick. Good evening, Cheryl. Hi, Kevin, Connell. Thank you so much po. Like, thank you so much po. Stop me when it's time, 'cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let it go. Maybe my love will come back some days. Hi, Goblin. So random. You look like you are having so much fun. Yeah, so much fun. Be good. Feel boring. There's a ghost behind you. Oh, where? Where's the ghost? I want to meet the ghost. Hey, Google, gandahan mo ang background. Wala eh. Wala nang igaganda yung background na yan. Soon, if I makasave ako ng money, gagandahan ko talaga ang background na yan. Huwag ka mag-alala. Medyo maalat pa sa mata ngayon. It's not race to the end. You're so beautiful. Thank you. From Turkey. Bye. Look at you, got more like now. Yeah. Oh, I forget before. Oh my god. So very difficult to having a reach to 50 likes, but now just happened. No need to wear underwear. Bikini. No challenge now. No challenge accepted. No challenge. My god. Was it turn so? Um, just when you want to give up and nothing is good, remember God gave his toughest battle to his strongest warriors. Thank you so much, Charlie. You look like you're doing good now. You don't need me in here much now. I will stop by here and here, see what's going on. What? What are you saying, Golden? Look like you're doing good now. You don't need me in here. What? Why are you saying that? Why you make tampo? Why you feel tampo? You tampo? I thought you're busy with another channel. That's why you're not here. So don't feel tampo. And I'm what? Why you feel tampo? Why it's you tampo? Miguel, you're a good friend of me, so don't feel tampo. It's okay, it's fine. We're still here. No, just relax. Just enjoy the life. Golden, golden and heart. So, hi, being Catholic and my love for Notre Dame. Thank you, Charlie. Thank you so much. Sweet honey girl. Sweet honey girl. I do. Thank you, Golden. Nothing changed. We're still friends. No. If even you're not here, it's fine. No, I know. No worries about that. I'm not. We're busy in life, so different living. I know we're friends. Yeah, no worries about. Oh, you feel tampo, Golden? How far from Manila are you? Maybe, travel on the bus, 15 hours or 12 hours, no traffic. Yeah, 12 or 13 hours. What do that mean? Tampo, like you feel tampo? I don't explain the tampo means. Like, you don't, I don't, yeah. You ask Filipino friend. Tampo. I don't want to explain. My God. I'm not good explainer. I'm a good escaper. My God. You mean jealous? Something like that, but not jealous. Just tampo. Different. The jealous and the tampo is different. Yeah, different. Jealous and tampo is different. Not jealous. The tampo is not jealous. Hello, beautiful. No, I'm not. Oh, really? Why you love me, Angelo? So tell me where do it start? This it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let it go. Maybe my never can back someday. Thank so much. I was here to help. Thank you so much, Golden. Thank you so much for helping me even before I met you here. You know that. Yeah, I know that. Thanks a lot. 15 hearts, I guess that's a lot. If you live in an island far away, I guess it's not bad. Yeah. Yeah, it's a very long hour. It's very tiring travel going to Manila from here. You don't need me much now. You got tour on months. Why you say that? I need you. Why you say that you don't? I don't need you here. Oh my God. You feel tampo. I feel tampo. No, I feel tampo. Not you. Not like that. Whatever. You make me feel tampo. I feel tampo na. I still bien. I felt a little drunk because we drink beer with my friends after ano, after noon here. So just a little, maybe not, not ano. She would be just fine in Kamal and Jana USA watching. Watching. Tuba? Tuba what? Tuba? What tuba? I still got a joke because you are funny. I thought you make me mad. Hmm. That your mad face. Yeah. You make me tampo. Golden. Then I'm really scared. What? Bama. Oh my god, Golden. You know what, Golden? This Golden is a friend me here on past months. Um, he's always like, he's always makes me a no. Mm, Golden. Oh my god, I'm laughing so hard. I given her a hard time. I'm still concerned about the cobra. Don't worry about the cobra, Charlie. Only thing that just scares me how to closer to you. Yeah, yeah, I have a snake here, but oh my god. Hope not come here. I gave her a hard time. Yes, always hard time. Like always, yeah. Joanna's trying too hard. Joanne, you had a snake. No, no snake. I said, hoping no snake come here. That's why. Hope no. Who's Joanne? Joanne Golden, you have a Joanne now? You have a new girlfriend? Yeah. Wild get snake. No, 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 no. I answer you, I think. Huh? Where you get that? Uh, no snake, already. No snake. I said, hoping no snake come here. Where you get that? Just looking for the cobra. No. Oh my god. No, 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 Chris. No cobra. I'm looking for my father. He feels sick. Just looking for that. No. Are you ignoring me, Golden? Oh my, no, Bam. I answer you, I think. Oh my god. I'm sorry, but that was funny. I didn't. I Bama. Oh my god. Fitness girl. The fitness girl. So tell me where the would start. Cause why you think that, Sharon? Huh? No. What should I think? Oh, you bully me again, Golden. Starting me to bully again? Can you sing? No, I don't. Oh my God, Charlie, you know what? I love music, but sometimes, no, not sometimes. Music don't cooperate. Sorry, Charlie. Yeah, because you said I have a girlfriend. Yeah, do you have a girlfriend? I'm asking. Oh my God, what's wrong with that? You say yes or no? Joanne, she's just your girlfriend now. Bama said, mention. No, I don't. Why don't? Red Hot Chili Peppers. Red Hot Chili Peppers. So tell me where the would start, cause it's breaking my heart. That don't mean by me, big head. Huh? Sure. Sorry. Big head. Oh my God. How is your daddy going? His daddy is getting better. Feel sad, a little feeling better. My father, why you look lost? Me, I look lost. Oh yeah, I feel I look lost. Yeah, look amazing. He getting better. Yeah, he getting better. My father. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you sa prayers and to those people helping me to ano my father. I need a tour guide in Manila, Jim June. Where can I find? Yeah. Hope you find Charlie. That's good. Hello, good afternoon in Barcelona, Spain. How are you? My name is. You see that already. Thank you for joining. That's good. Thank you, Gavin. Luciano. Luciano. Sure, Augusta. Oh my god. Sorry, I can't read because I don't understand. I don't know if it's. I'm Filipino. I'm from Philippines. Thank you for joining, Luciano. Okay, good. Thank you so much. 20 people here. Thanks a lot. Oh my god, 74 likes. My kulay. You happy? I don't know. Maybe. Mm, thank you so much. I came to see hello for your beautiful eyes. What? Mm, you know what? Before, no, I have a freedom now. Not like before, different before, before, oh my God. So, someone controlling my channel here. It's very different. It's very different than before. That's why. But I missed my. But I missed that before. She would be happy and Carmel and Jan. But for now, it's having a freedom. It's fine. Have you talked? Stand up, please. I'm not. My leg is hurt. Sorry, I can't stand. Suddenly. 76. Oh my god, 76 people now. God. Have you talk sent that? Huh? Have you talk sent that? What? Haven't you haven't typed? Sorry. Hi. You haven't you haven't talk sent that day question. Sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, Golden. I'm not fluent in English, but maybe you can say it in easy to understand. I'm so in love with. Eh. Why? Bo Lawson, why are you in love with me? For so what? Hey Cheryl, have you been? Hi, I'm fine, sir. Hi, fine, Strathing. How are you? I'm not trying to put out there. Huh? What? Sure Filipino name. My name is Cheryl. Because you are beautiful and funny, I love your vibe. Where are you from? Bo Lawson. Jojo. Hi, Jojo. Filipino name? Cheryl. My name is Cheryl. 27 people. Oh my god. Ohio, Ohio in USA. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Bo Lawson from Ohio, USA. Thank you so much. Juvar Marie. Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Hi, look, gorgeous and cute. I like your smile and beauty. Thank you. Did you take your son out to dinner? Oh, my son is already sleeping. Already dinner. Did you, Anna? You said you have the free. You haven't talked since that day you break. Yeah. Yeah, I have freedom now. Yeah, I'm free now. Um, and then that time is Robert. Portugal, Belgium. 78 people. Thank you so much. You never again after that. Yeah, never again. And that's no, and that's you know what? Emotional. Oh my God, so much. Oh my God. Oh wow. It's nothing happened again. So I think I decided, and then I decided need to stop because it's not healthy. His words is so much. Oh my God, so much break my, so much break my heart. I can't. I can't. Ano. Mm, no, no peace of mind. Tommy Boy. Hi, Tommy Boy 500. Hello, thank you for joining, sir. I don't need to know. Okay, but I think it's not. It's really hurtful words for me. I I'm speechless. How long you're okay with? Yeah, no need to. I know, no choice needs to be okay. Luciano need to be okay. Yeah, move on. Need to move on and life must go on. BBK, life go on, yeah. Life must go on. Bonjour. Bonjour. Just was not meant. Just was not meant to be. That's all it's happened. Yeah, that's all it's happened. Not meant to be. I thought it's oh my god, I thought it's never mind. I don't want to talk about that because of By the way, what happened to you, Colin? Who's Joanne for you, Jolin? Hey Shara, get this yesterday I watched the whole video where you were doing your daily wash. I think it's like 30 minutes. There were 10 commercial. Really? 10 commercial? Oh my god, wow. Yeah. Oh really? You have new girlfriend. Oh wow, you watched that. Well, thank you, Sir Kenneth. If you watch the commercial, I earn 38 minutes. Yeah, 38 minutes. You know what? Washing clothes more than an hour because of more than an hour. If everybody did that, you make a lot of money. Yeah. Thank you, Sir Kenneth. You make me a lot of money. Yep, Sir Kenneth. Oh my God, yes. That's why I need to watch the no. That's why I need to watch the commercial. Oh my God, thank you so much for watching the ads. I know, right? I can turn it on at night and just let it go through all your videos and put it on also play. Oh my God, thank you, Sir Kenneth. Also comment right when people comment on your content. Thank you so much. Sorry, sometimes I didn't reply because so much busy. Like this now, I do like because I'm free. Tomorrow, oh my God, tomorrow busy day. I'm fine, Edgar. Busy day. You got some great older videos with your music, and we use to leave you walk outside. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for getting it. Yes, she dance a lot. She's so yes, I dance a lot. When I hear the music, I dance. Golden stop it. Hugs, hi noodles, and see the moves out there. Yeah, you're welcome. Yes, I'm love dancing. That's why. When I hear the music, that's why I groove my body. Check that. So maybe we can meet someday. I tried them to do a table dance this morning. Every Sunday I do Zumba. Watch out for the Romanian. They will pickpocket you. Pickpocket me. Oh my God, my likes. My God, my likes. You keep up with the House of Dancing. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. I need to go to sleep now because I need to wake up early. I need to Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, Golden, for joining here again, Sir Kenneth. Thanks a lot to people here. Thank you so much, Mr. Cowboy. Hello, today. I'm good today. Thank you, Paul. Thank you so much. New friend here, Bama in the Philippines. Beautiful channel. Yeah, get out of here. Go dance in your sleep. Thank you so much, Golden. See you again. Bye bye. Love you all. Happy Friday.